Hey guys, it's me, Irina, and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you know, I'm doing the unboxing videos, and this time the box is really small. Actually, it was very cheap. It was just $12.99, and I've won it so fast. I think it was the day when all beating sharks were on vacation or weekend or something, because I was really lucky to get this small box, because this box called CAROLEE jewelry, and they said in description that each jewelry is signed CAROLEE. As you know, CAROLEE is famous vintage jewelry designer, and she founded that company in 1972, just on the kitchen table, literally, and she became famous, and she had really nice fashion taste, and her jewelry became very famous. As I know, Anne Hathaway likes her jewelry, and Cameron Diaz, so I trust them. And actually, CAROLEE was very first jewelry that I've sold on eBay store. It was my first sale. That's why I remember this brand, and I know because I've made my research. Okay, let's start. From the very pretty bracelet, it's signed. Look how pretty is it. It's so vintage. It looks like antique. If you see the old jewelry but on the stretchy strand, be very careful, because this is, I think it's silicone or resin, and it goes bad through the time, so it can be broken and you can lose all beads. I could replace these stretching thread. I can replace it for the new one, because I think it looks weak a little bit. If it's, you see, it's it became a little bit matte and not so stretchy anymore. This is the sign that shows you that this string could actually break, so be careful. God, it's beautiful. I think only this bracelet could be sold for like $50, especially in this fantastic condition. God. So obviously this bracelet already covered the price of the box. I wanted to see these earrings because I saw them on the picture. Oh my God. They look like one collection. Yeah, they look very similar, because both of them, they have a little bit like Art Deco design, crystal in the center, and I think it's 4 pearls, I mean costume pearls, around this crystal. And these rhinestones are really good. I think it's Swarovski. They are so shiny and clear. So this is a very good find. Oh, I have goosebumps, guys. Look how beautiful is this collar necklace. It looks like Elizabeth II's, Her Majesty's crown, or you know, the diadema she liked while she was alive, because she had a very unique diadema crown which was able to turn like a necklace. Wow. I want to check if it's missing the stones. Oh no, yeah, it's missing one stone. Oh no, the second one. I will definitely find a way how to repair it. Oh, no, it's okay. Okay, just two. I can do that. Yeah, this logo is belongs to CAROLEE. And the quality is fantastic. Even though this necklace is old, it's in very good condition, which means that she made this quality, she paid attention to the long-term, high-quality, well-made items. Wow, this is not just the rhinestones. I think this is CZ's, a cubic zirconia, because they are transparent. Rhinestones usually are painted from the backside. It looks like it was made by elves, you know, from from the Lord of the Rings. Ew, this is Small Heart, signed CAROLEE. This is her very famous like type of tags. There is original tag which says $125. Oh my god. Even though it was made in China, I can see how good it was made. I mean, the rhodium plated parts are perfect and they are polished so well. Absolutely no signs of wear, which is perfect for me. I even think that this looks so silver, sterling silver. Of course it's not, but it looks like it was very well constructed and plated. Okay, I wanna put them separately because I don't want them to scratch each other. This one is older. It's like 80s. Oh, what a huge spring ring. It's big. And it's signed, yeah. And it has a necklace. Wow. So I will sell them as a set, jewelry set. I like costume pearls. I like when they are covered like this. I could see this paint is very good because they shine just like pearls. Unfortunately, the clasp is a little bit, no, it's not a little bit, it's fully tarnished. The cover just rusty. I think it's modern thing. Probably the modern items were not so high quality. I don't know why it's so rusty. It's signed, but if someone will want to replace this toggle clasp, they could have amazing, beautiful pearl necklace. Huh. Is it supposed to be one eye? No, I don't think so. I think it's peeled off. CAROLEE. Okay, it works. Everything works. Yes. Closure works too. I can fix that too because I have gel polish. I can make that eye look like it wasn't peeled off, and all stones are fine. So yeah, This is not cheap jewelry, so I definitely will do everything to fix all problems. So I want to sell it. Wow. This necklace looks like 1990s. Am I correct? And oh, it's long. Yeah, it's signed in very good condition. Interesting. Such a designer piece. That's it? That's it. Oh, look what I found. Oh my god. It's a rhinestone from the necklace. I will glue it. I don't want to lose it because you don't find this type of crystals very often. I mean, I should order them from some handmade store or something. Yes, this is the same size, yes, from this necklace. That's it. Look at this small but very beautiful collection. Definitely I could cover the price of the box because it's always important for me. And also I enjoy selling online. I like selling online. So I will put the link for my eBay store in comment section, so please use it if you want to order something. Also, you can order through the comments. Just text me. I can make you invoice in PayPal and send you your parcel. No problem. So that's it. I hope you liked this video. It was very small one and short one. Please press the thumbs up button, subscribe. Also, please save the link to my eBay store. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Huge hugs and see you soon. Bye bye.